Good morning, students. Myself Yogesh Agarwal, and I'm your new English teacher. I want to deliver my grammar topic, and this topic is combined for 9th and 10th class. The name of the topic is narration. What is narration? This topic is known as direct speech and indirect speech. Let me explain with a example. Teacher said to the boys, I shall not teach you today. This statement is written in direct speech. What is direct speech and indirect speech? How do we differentiate between them? When the two person is talking in front of them, this is known as direct speech. At this time I am delivering my lecture in front of you. This speech is known as direct speech because this conversation is going between you and me. So this is known as direct speech. Suppose that someone is not present today in my class, and tomorrow he or she will come to school and he or she will ask you, what did English teacher teach yesterday? Then you will tell about me. This is known as indirect speech. This speech has two parts. First one is reporting one. In short, we can say are we, and those part which is closed by comma, inverted comma, is known as reported speech. Reported speech. Teacher said to the boys, I shall not teach you today. This statement is written in direct speech. What is the rules and regulations to change from direct to indirect? If you know about the rules and regulation, then this is very easy to make any sentence, to convert any sentence from direct to indirect. There are 5 changes in a sentence. First one is said to, then conjunction, person, tense and time. First, second, third, fourth, 5. Then there are the 5 changes, maximum 5 changes. First of all, we will study how do we convert said to change said to change said to change according to the sense of reported speech statement. Said to changes according to the sense of reported speech statement. See here. If this statement is an assertive or simple, then said to change into told. Then said to change into told. If this statement is simple or assertive type, you know assertive, negative or simple statement is known as assertive statement, assertive sentences. If your statement is simple or negative form, then you may change said to into told. Said to into told. Second, if this statement ends with interrogative mark, interrogative mark, that means question mark. Then you change said to into asked. Clear? If this statement ends with interrogative mark, then you may convert said to into asked. Third one is if this statement starts with main one, that means imperative sentences. If your statement is an imperative statement, then you may convert said to according to the sense of sentences. Imperative type. Imperative, that means starts with main one. For example, open the door, shut the window, cut your nails. This types of statement shows imperative or said to change according to the sense of sentences. Suppose that sentence starts with please or kindly, you may use requested. Advised. Ordered. Blessed. Wished. Suppose that if you are not able to understand the sense of sentence, then you may also use in place of all asked. Asked. Asked is a multi-purpose word, then you may use asked in place of all. Requested, advised, ordered, blessed, wished. Next, fourth, if your statement starts with alas, if your statement starts with alas, then said to change into exclaim, with sorrow. Exclaim with sorrow. If this statement starts with alas, then you may change said to into exclaim with sorrow. If your statement starts with hooray, then said to change into exclaim with surprise. Clear? Again, listen carefully. I know most of the students are able to understand English to English, but most of the students are not able to understand what does English teacher teach today. So, doesn't worry. मैं आपको हिंदी में भी इसको एक्सप्लेन कर देता हूँ. टीचर सेड टू द बॉयज, आई शैल नॉट टीच यू टुडे. क्लियर स्टूडेंट्स? ये स्टेटमेंट जो है आपका डायरेक्ट स्पीच में, डायरेक्ट और इनडायरेक्ट स्पीच होती क्या है? जब दो व्यक्ति आमने सामने बातें कर रहे हों तो दिस कन्वर्सेशन इज नोन एज डायरेक्ट स्पीच. अब इसी को हमें इनडायरेक्ट स्पीच में कन्वर्ट करना होता है. इनडायरेक्ट स्पीच में कन्वर्ट करने के लिए हमारे पास रूल्स एंड रेगुलेशंस होने चाहिए. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल हमें सेट टू चेंज करना होगा. टू चेंज सेट टू, ये सेट टू जो है किस तरह से चेंज होगा? ये सेट टू चेंज होगा तुम्हारे रिपोर्टेड स्पीच के स्टेटमेंट के अकॉर्डिंग. इफ योर स्टेटमेंट मीन्स सिंपल, असर्टिव, यानी कि सिंपल और नेगेटिव टाइप इज नोन एज असर्टिव टाइप. सो said to change into told. Clear? Second, interrogative. If your statement starts with helping verb or WH word, then said to change into asked. If your statement starts with main verb, pose this letter, open the door, shut the window, this types of the statement, those sentence which starts with main verb, यानी कि जो main verb से start होने वाले sentences हैं, उनको सेंटेंस के सेंस के अकॉर्डिंग चेंज करना है. सेंटेंस में हो सकता है रिक्वेस्टेड आ जाए, एडवाइज आ जाए, ऑर्डर्ड आ जाए, ब्लेस्ड हो, विश्ड हो. ये सभी सेंसेस में अगर आप इफ यू आर नॉट एबल टू अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट इज द सेंस ऑफ सेंटेंस, देन सेड टू चेंज इनटू आस्क्ड. आस्क्ड इज मल्टीपर्पज. आप लोग आस्क्ड में भी चेंज कर सकते हैं. नेक्स्ट, alas. If this statement starts with alas, that means sorrow, regret, पश्चाताप करना, दुख होना. इसमें क्या करेगा? फॉर एग्जाम्पल, my father said to me, alas, I am ruined. That means sorrow. Then you may change said to into exclaim with sorrow. Exclaim with sorrow. Next, if this statement starts with hooray, 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 that means khushi, happy, happiness. Said to change into exclaim with surprise. Said to changes into exclaim with surprise. And last, clear? If this statement ends with exclamatory mark, exclamatory mark. If this statement ends with exclamatory mark, said to changes into exclaim with surprise. Exclaim with surprise. Clear? ये आप सेट को चेंज करने के रूल्स होगा. There are 6 rules to change set to. If you know these rules, then there is no problem to convert set to. Next one is to apply conjunction. To apply conjunction. To apply conjunction. ये नंबर बी पॉइंट. कंजक्शन क्या चीज होती है? कनेक्टर्स. ये कनेक्ट करने के लिए कोई भी दो sentences more than 2 we use any conjunctory word. This is known as conjunction. And which conjunction is applied when we convert the sentence from direct to indirect. So see here, conjunction is based also reported speech statement. If this statement is an assertive form, simple form, then you may apply that. You may apply that. Number 2, if this statement starts with WH word, if this statement starts with WH word, WH word, use same WH word as a conjunction. Same WH word as a conjunction. Use same WH word as a conjunction. Number third, if this statement starts with helping verb, you know helping verb, is, am, the form of be, is, am, was, were, has, have, had, and modal auxiliaries. You apply if or whether. If or whether. If or whether. Helping verb. If reported speech statements starts with helping verb, you may use if or whether. There are two choices. It depends on you whether you apply if or whether. It depends on you. Number 4. If this statement starts with main verb, you may use to. So the students, there are only 4 conjunctions. When we convert the sentence from direct to indirect, it is very simple to remember this. If this statement is simple or negative form, then you may apply that. If this statement starts with a WH word, you can use same WH word as a conjunction. And if this statement starts with helping verb, then you may use if or whether. 4th, if this statement starts with main verb, जैसे भी हमने इसमें कन्वर्ट किया था, एग्जाम्पल मैंने आपको बताया था, पोस्ट दिस लेटर, ओपन द डोर, शट द विंडो, दिस टाइप्स ऑफ सेंटेंस. अगर इस तरह के सेंटेंसेस से स्टार्ट देन यू मे यूज टू. इज दैट क्लियर? Next, to change person, C point. This is a very important. Most of the students can mistake when they convert person. So listen attentively. Number C point, to change person. Person. There are 3 persons. First person, second person, third person. In first person, subjective case, objective case, and possessive case. First person, I or we. I, objective case, me, possessive case, my or mine. We, objective case, us, possessive case, our. Second, you, objective case, you, possessive case, your. Third person, he, she, it, and they. He, objective case, him, possessive case his, she, objective case her, possessive case her, it, objective case it, possessive case its, they, objective case them, possessive case their. This one is first person and this is second and rest of third. First person, second person, third person. How do we convert person? One formula is there. Son upon 1, 2, 3. First person changes according to RV subject. See here, I. I is the first person. First person changes according to RV subject. What is RV subject? Teacher. What is RV subject? Teacher. Then you may use he or she in place of teacher, because teacher is not identified, teacher is male or female, so it's your choice. You can use he or she. I is a first person. First person changes according to RV's subject. First person changes according to RV's subject. Second person changes according to RV's object. यहाँ पर देखिए you is a second person. You is a second person and second person changes according to RV's object. First of all, tell me, you is a subject or object? Here you are seeing you as a subject or you object. Then how will you differentiate between them? You is a subject or object? Before main verb, it is subject, and after main verb, it is object. Here you can see, I shall not teach you today. You comes after teach. Teach is a main verb. So, you is an objective case. So, we require objective case. You. First of all, find out you. Second person changes according to RV's object. What is RV's object? Boys. And pronoun of boys, they. So, it changes into them because we need objective case. Second person changes according to RV's object, and third person no change. Third person no change. If you see third person in reported speech statement, then there is no changes in reported speech statement. That means he, she, it or they. They are third person, so we do not need to change. Only first and second person changes according to depend on the situation. Suppose that if there is no any object and we need to change second person, it's your choice. Then you may pick out he, she, it. There are the different objects in statement, so you may use he, she, it or they. If there is no any object. क्लियर? अब आप इसको सुन लो. 3 पर्सन होते हैं, फर्स्ट पर्सन, सेकंड पर्सन, थर्ड पर्सन. फर्स्ट पर्सन में आई और वी आता है. फर्स्ट पर्सन चेंज होता है आर वी के सब्जेक्ट के अकॉर्डिंग, सेकंड पर्सन आर वी के ऑब्जेक्ट के अकॉर्डिंग, थर्ड पर्सन नो चेंज. सिर्फ आपको इतना सा लर्न रखना है. Next, to change tense. टेंस टेंस कैसे चेंज होगा? टेंस आपको पता होगा, पहले भी पढ़े हुए क्लासेस में। मैं आपको फिर दोबारा से और शॉर्टकट में बता देता हूँ। अगर मैं ये मान के चलता हूँ कि यू डोंट नो टेंसेस, सो सी हियर, फर्स्ट वर्ब, फर्स्ट फॉर्म, verb first form plus s or es, then you may convert second form, main verb of second form। अगर आपको स्टेटमेंट में यहाँ पर वर्ब की फर्स्ट फॉर्म या s या es दिखाई देता है, तब आप इसको वर्ब की सेकंड फॉर्म में चेंज कर देंगे। do does plus v1, most of the students convert did plus v1। यहीं से क्वेश्चन पेश होता है हर साल का इम्प्रूवमेंट, यहीं से क्वेश्चन पेश होता है और यहीं स्टूडेंट मिस्टेक करता है। सो इफ यू सी डू डज और v1, देन यू मे कन्वर्ट सेकंड फॉर्म। डू डज plus not plus v1, then you may convert did plus not plus v1। clear? That means present simple changes into past simple, यानी कि आपका प्रेजेंट सिंपल है, तब आप इसको पास्ट सिंपल में कन्वर्ट कर देंगे। इज एम आर, was has, have, had, present simple changes into past simple, present continuous changes into past continuous, present perfect changes into past perfect। had been, had been, v2 did plus v1, one of them, या तो आपका v2 होगा या did plus v1, then you will convert into had plus v3। इस पे भी ध्यान दें, यहाँ से भी क्वेश्चन रेज होता है। v2 did plus v1 convert into had plus v3। was, were, had been, had been, no change. Will shall, both of changes into would, not should. Had been, V2, V plus V1, had plus V3, was were, had been, will shall, would, can, could, may, might. Clear? To change tense. Next and last point, fifth, to change time. To change time. This, that, these, those, here, there. Now, then, thus, so, this, that, these, those, here, there, now, then, thus, so. If you see that in the statement, so don't change this in that into this. That remains same. That. Today, that day. Tomorrow, the next day. Yesterday, the previous day. Tonight, that night. there are 5 changes in statement when we convert the sentence from direct to indirect. These are the rules and regulations, but there are 3 notes. Remember in your mind. If RV, that means reporting verb, is in present or future tense, for example, teacher says or teacher will say, this denotes simple, future simple or present simple. If RV is in present or future tense, so there is no need to convert the tense of reported speech statement, and all changes are as usual. And all changes are as usual. Clear? Second note. If the sentence of reported speech is in universal form, for example, teacher said to the students, there are 8 planets in our solar system. So there is no changes in the reported speech statement. Note number 3. When you convert the sentence from direct speech to indirect speech, remove comma, inverted comma, please, alas, hurrah, oh, etc. From the sentence, we only use full stop mark at the end of statement. Clear, students? These are the rules and regulations of reported speech topic, and that's all. Class is over. Tomorrow we will discuss the practice exercise of this topic. If you know, if you aware the rules and regulations of this topic, so there is no problem to convert the sentence from direct to indirect. Thank you, students. Have a nice day.